Hi, I'm Bivinetto, Global Sales Engineering Manager at BlackBerry Radar. My leadership philosophy is simple. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, build systems that outlast you. That's exactly what sales engineers do. Create scalable, resilient solutions that stand the test of time. In many ways, that vision mirrors my own career path. I've spent years learning how to turn individual effort into collective achievement. How to make great ideas not just work once, but work for everybody. Because being a sales engineer isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about building tools, teams, and systems that keep winning long after you left the room. My career path has been anything but linear. I started as an emergency medical technician and later became an electrician and eventually worked as an M&R inspector for one of North America's largest chassis providers. Those roles gave me the front row seat to how logistics really works, the long hours, the constant challenges, and the value of the precision and teamwork. Later, I joined the National GPS Strategy team, helping deploy technology across thousands of assets. That blend of field experience and innovation led me to BlackBerry Radar over 6 years ago. When I arrived, there wasn't a sales engineering function. I was the first, tasked with building it from the ground up, not just to support sales, but to design a framework that can grow beyond me. In the early days, everything was hands-on. Every demo, every proof of concept, every technical evaluation came across my desk. And somewhere between the late nights, long calls, I realized I couldn't just outwork the problem. I had to outgrow it. That realization pushed me to scale what I knew to make my lessons and field experiences repeatable, teachable, and shareable. It all came together in the Radar SE toolkit, a cross-function enablement platform built with sales, product, marketing, and customer success. It bridges the gap between technical depth and business clarity, helping every team member deliver demos that feel one of a kind, even without me on the call. Think of putting the power of sales engineer in everyone's pocket. Even in the current phase, it's already delivered reduced demo times up to 50%, increased early stage conversions by 25%, and given teams across the company a shared language for success. That's what scaling myself really means, turning experiences into action and empowering others to perform at their best. These past years have been about building not just pipelines or processes, but foundation strong enough to sustain networks for success across teams and regions. That foundation helped drive one of the proudest milestones this year, the largest GPS deployment in intermodal history, with over 100,000 chassis equipped with BlackBerry Radar. But the true accomplishment wasn't the number. It was the system behind it, the collaboration, the empowerment, and the shared ownership that made it possible. That's the essence of scalability, creating something that continues to work long after you step back. For me, scaling doesn't end with Radar. It's about contributing to an ecosystem of people and organizations that keep moving the industry forward together. I currently serve on the Intermodal Association of North America committees for safety and security, operations, and maintenance and repair. That involvement has given me more of a platform. It's connected me to a community and values of mentorship and growth. Since then, I've graduated from the inaugural Future Leaders of Intermodal program, served on IANA Academic Case Challenge panel, and will now be mentoring new FLIP members as they begin their careers. I give back because I remember what it felt like to be new, to be unsure, and to hope someone would take the time to help me. And I never forget the mentors who did. They taught me that leadership isn't about titles, it's about time. The time you give, the patience you show, and the belief you share. Over the years, I've learned that great sales engineers don't just solve problems. They remove friction and helping teams and customers move forward together. Whether it's building a new demo environment or mentoring a colleague and guiding a customer through a complex evaluation, I lead with one principle: serve first. That mindset has helped me build trust, accelerate success, and turn personal knowledge into collective capability. When I look back, every milestone, every project, every system I've built shares one goal: to make things better for the next person who walks this path. Everything I've built, from the Radar SE toolkit to the teams I've mentored to the customers I've served, comes down to one truth: none of us got here alone. I'm here because people believed in me, taught me, and gave me opportunities I didn't even know to ask for. And now it's my turn to do the same, to mentor the next engineer, to build the next playbook, to open the next door for someone else. Because being a great sales engineer isn't about being in the spotlight. It's about making sure everyone around you shines brighter. That's what scaling myself has always been about: multiplying impact through people, systems, and services. And if I've done my job right, my legacy won't be measured by the deals I've closed, but by the people I've lifted and the systems I've built to help them succeed. because success isn't what you take with you, it's what you leave behind and who you lift along the way. Thank you for your time and consideration.